if not all of us, turn to YouTube for guidance on recipes, tutorials, and how-tos. Some of us even find ourselves lurking in the comments just to see if this ish really works, wondering, how do they do it? And ultimately, can they teach me? If you're watching this, you're probably just like me, an average Andy or Annabelle, a one-trick pony with no real skills and no true talent. You've probably been described as okay, ordinary, or just alright. Well, I'm all of those things, but I'm looking to change all of that. How will I do it, you ask? Just like any other millennial, I turn to YouTube. On this channel, we connect with different creators to teach us something new, extraordinary, or just flat out cool. Tune in every Saturday to learn something new from someone different. Welcome, rookies, to YouTube Taught Me.